Welcome to our lecture series on personal finance and financial literacy. In this lecture, we will discuss the basics of retirement planning. Let's begin. Retirement planning is a crucial process for securing your financial future after leaving the workforce. It involves setting financial goals, estimating expenses, and determining income sources. Understanding why early retirement planning is essential, identifying different sources of retirement income, and learning strategies for saving and investing are key objectives. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your investments have to grow through the powerful effect of compounding interest. For instance, investing just $200 per month at age 25 with a 7% annual return could yield about $480,000 by age 65. However, starting at age 35 with the same investment and return would only result in about $240,000 by age 65, highlighting the significant difference compounding makes over time. Estimating your retirement needs involves considering your desired lifestyle, potential healthcare costs, and expected longevity. A general rule suggests retirees need about 70 to 80% of their pre-retirement income to maintain their standard of living. Steps to estimate needs include accounting for inflation, which averages 2 to 3% per year, and factoring in Social Security and pensions. For example, if you need $60,000 per year for 25 years, you'll need roughly $1.5 million, assuming modest growth and inflation adjustments. Most retirees rely on multiple income sources to sustain their lifestyle, including government-provided Social Security benefits. Employer-sponsored plans like 401s or 403s and individual plans such as IRAs or brokerage accounts are also common sources. Social Security provides a foundation for retirement income, but it's not intended to be your sole source. Full retirement age is typically between 66 and 67, but benefits can start as early as 62 with reduced payments. Delaying benefits until age 70 significantly increases your monthly payments, offering a substantial boost to your retirement income. Employer-sponsored plans like 401s and 403s allow workers to save pre-tax income for retirement, offering advantages like tax-deferred growth. These plans often include employer matching contributions and automatic payroll deductions, making saving easier and more effective. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, offer tax advantages for retirement savings with two main types, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, but withdrawals are taxed in retirement. Roth IRAs use after-tax contributions, allowing for tax-free withdrawals in retirement, which can be a significant advantage. For example, investing $5,000 annually in a Roth IRA for 30 years at a 7% average return can grow to nearly $500,000 tax-free. Your investment portfolio should balance growth and risk according to your age and financial goals. In your early career, focus on stocks for growth, gradually shifting towards bonds in mid-career. As you approach retirement, prioritize income and stability to protect your accumulated wealth. A common guideline suggests that 100 minus your age equals the percentage you should hold in stocks. The 4% rule suggests withdrawing 4% of your total savings in the first year of retirement, then adjusting for inflation annually. This strategy aims to make your savings last about 30 years, providing a sustainable income stream. However, it's crucial to adjust this withdrawal rate based on market conditions and your personal longevity expectations. Avoid common mistakes like starting too late, not taking advantage of employer matches, and ignoring inflation in your projections. Also, be mindful of withdrawing funds early, as this can incur penalties and significantly reduce your retirement nest egg. Effective retirement planning combines early saving, diversified investing, and disciplined spending. Even modest contributions can grow significantly over time with consistent effort, so start planning today for a secure financial future. Thank you for watching this video on retirement planning essentials. We hope this information helps you make smarter, informed decisions.